What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. If anybody watches college football and you live in Florida, you know what these colors are for. I printed a light box for my friend for his 40th birthday. I was questioning whether the orange was going to work, because it is lightweight PLA, which is PLA that I use to print an airplane. But it worked, turned out great. The only issue is, for some reason, the colors were like kind of separating. So I ended up having to put some glue around the edges there where they met. But not a huge deal. It doesn't show up in the light box. Let me take you over to the light box and show you how that turned out. Okay, here's the light box. I printed it in PETG or PETG, whatever you want to call it. I always say PETG. And I bought a LED light strip on Amazon for 10 bucks. And it comes with this remote. And sometimes these remotes are annoying, but lights up and off. So this goes on like so. Turned out pretty cool. Let me show you one other thing that I did. I went into Tinkercad and designed a stand that turned out like this. So you can set the gator light in the stand. It also came with a hole in the back of it. I got this off Maker World, so you could hang on the wall. But I wanted to give them the option of not hanging it and just putting the model on a stand, or the light on a stand. I'll take you into Tinkercad and show you how I did that. Alright, so for the stand, what I did was I imported the body of the LED. And then I just a stand, there we go. I rotated it 90 degrees, rotated it this way. And if you go further out, you can get a finer rotate than when you're in here. It does choppier. So drag your mouse out a little bit, and then hit D to raise it up and bring it onto the bed. This block wasn't here, so I added a block, lined it up just like that. Let me do this. Select those and then align them, and we should be good there. And then what I did was I brought over that oval shape and I turned it into a hole so it would be hollow. And then I rotated it and sized it to make it line up and match what the body of the light was. Then I got rid of that, brought this over, line them up, center it, join them, and there you have a base for the light. You don't have to hang it on a wall. Turned out pretty cool. I'm really happy with it. Hopefully my buddy is, who I made this for. All you have to do is export it and save it to whatever you want to save it. Make sure you get rid of the stupid, silly name up here. I forgot to do that earlier because I was in a hurry. So now when you save it, it'll be called Stand, or you can call it Gators Stand. And it's done. So here's a picture of how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and we will catch you on the next one.